Table joins is considered a major benefit of a relational database. Joins combine rows from two or more tables, where the tables are merged based on fields they have in common, known as primary and foreign keys. They are used when extracting data from tables which have one-to-many or many-to-many relationships between them. Let's take a look at some of the types of joins. Inner join returns records that have matching values in both tables. This is the most common type of a join, and the syntax is shown below. Left outer join returns all records from the left table and the matched records from the right table. Syntax for this is shown below. Right outer join returns all records from the right table and the matched records from the left table. Syntax is seen below. Full outer join returns all records where there is a match in either left or right table. The syntax for this is shown below. For this example, we will create an entity relationship diagram that represents a car parts company database. First, we will create a customer table that contains customer information and an order table that contains information about the customer's orders. The order table will reference the customer table by using a one-to-many relationship, also known as crow's foot notation. To do this, we will create a foreign key named customer ID in the order table that references the primary key named ID in the customer table. The SQL syntax for the creation of these tables is shown here. Using the design we defined earlier in the entity relationship diagram, we will join the customer table with the order table using an inner join. We will select first name and last name from the customer table and other columns from the order table. The inner join will join the ID column of the customer table with the customer ID column of the order table. If you recall, the ID column of the customer table was defined as a primary key, and the customer ID column of the order table was defined as a foreign key. We will also order the results by last name. Results are shown here. Notice the last row of the customer table does not appear in the results. This is because this customer has no orders associated with it, which does not satisfy the inner join. In this example, we will use the same inner join as used in the previous example, except we will add a where clause that will filter results where customer number is equal to 419. In this case, the results will contain only a single customer, as shown here. In this example, we will use a left join on the same data we have used previously. Here, the results will return all records from the customer table and only the matched records from the order table. Notice the last row of the results have null for the items from the order table. This is because this customer has no associated orders. Using the design we defined earlier, we will make this design more extensible by adding a part table and move the item number and item name columns into the part table and add a price column. Now the order table will reference the part table. The SQL syntax for the creation of these tables is shown here. In this example, we will use an inner join that includes the added part table. Here we will join the customer table with the order table and join the order table with the part table. We will select columns from all three tables. First, we will join the customer with the order table using a primary key and a foreign key, and join the part table with the order table using a primary key and foreign key, and sort results by last name. Results are now shown. In this example, we will use the same inner join as in the previous example. However, we will include a where clause that will filter results where customer number equals 419, and we will sort the results by order date. This will produce results for a single customer, which is shown here. I hope you found Introduction to SQL Joins helpful. If you have, please click on the like button. And to receive any updates to this channel, click on the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.